Welcome back to Creations for the Creator channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to see more videos like this. Today, we're going to learn how to draw an elephant. Today, I wanted to draw an elephant. I absolutely love elephants because they're such communal animals. They get really sad when other elephants are hurting or scared. You know, if an elephant starts acting scared, another one will always run over and give hugs with their trunk, and then make high-pitched whistle noises to comfort the one who is upset. I would love to get a hug from an elephant. What about you? But that got me thinking. God, who made elephants, made them to comfort each other that way. And when you and I are frightened or hurting, God is right there to comfort us too. God might comfort you with a beautiful sunset, or snuggles with an animal, or time with a good friend. Even when you feel all alone, God is always with you and cares about everything you're going through. The Bible, God's true word, says, "Give all your worries and cares to God, for He cares for you." Even when you are hurting or scared, you can tell God and He will comfort you because He cares for you. God's creation is so cool. I love elephants. If you want to color your own elephant, follow the link below to the elephant coloring sheet.